I'm here today with my Look Fantastic beauty box for the month of December. Look how pretty this is. My name is Fawn and this is my channel. It is a happy place and I hope that you might find some happiness here too. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave me a comment. Now I have a confession to make, ladies. I already filmed this once. I filmed this the other day and I wasn't feeling great. I'd had a very, very, very long day in with the children and I thought I've absolutely got to do it. And I did it and I got halfway through editing it and I thought I looked dreadful. I sounded like I didn't know anything, and I never sound like I know much anyway because I'm not a beauty expert. So it really was a mess. So I'm doing it again because I really liked it and I want to share it with you. So here we go. So I won't be terribly surprised, but if you're expecting me to be miles more professional because I've already done it once, good luck with that. As usual, got my book and got all my what's in it, you know, what you do with it, how much is it worth. And it was very pretty. Look, it's still black with the gold dingle. I could fib and say I've not done this, but I have. And what I liked was this month, can you see? The squiggly wigglies are gold. I thought that was really pretty. Anyway, let's get to it and stop faffing about. Right, the first thing in the box was a choice of two. Obviously, you don't get the choice. They choose for you. It was either the one that I got, which is the Percy and Reed hairspray. Is it called? Session Hold, it's called, hairspray. Or I could have had the Sukin Sensitive Pink Clay Facial Mask. Can you see there? So I could have had that one. I'm happy actually that I got hairspray. I don't use hairspray very often at all, but I have so many masks at the moment and so many clay masks at the moment, and I'm not particularly in need of clay ones, if you know what I mean. So I'm happy to have that one. And what does it say? It says ultra fine, humidity resistant, which could be good. And providing a flexible but firm hold. This hairstyle is this hairspray, I told you it would be no better even though it's second time round. This hairspray is just what you need to help your hairstyle last throughout the day. I've had a few Percy and Reed things. They're okay. I can't say that I've had one and gone wow yet, but I've always been happy with them, so I'm happy with that. Next is a makeup brush. You know I love a makeup brush, and this one is double-ended. It's by Brushworks, who I have heard of. It's an eyeshadow brush and it combines shading and precision. So this end is for packing on the colour on the lid, and then this end, can you see how fine and pointy that is? That is for lining the eyes. As you know, I don't line under the eyes, but I do sometimes line above just with eyeshadow. So I'm happy with that, and that one has no price. They're honor prices. At least there is some explanation of what they are. Bert! Stop it, you naughty boy! Ooh, he's pulled an ornament off the tree and he's shredding it. I've just realised, I thought he's gone very quiet. That was my big mama bear shout, that was, because he's eating a decoration and eating the beads off it, which I do not want him to do. You stay there. He's now at my feet because he knows he's been very, very naughty. So you've just heard me be really... Anyway, that was it. So next up is Jekka Black Glow Drops. Now, you know I have an issue about these glow things. I really do. I'm never convinced that they work, but I know other people absolutely swear by them. These are champagne glow drops. What does it say? Apply a small amount all over your skin before foundation for an all-over luminous glow. Well, I'm sorry. I'm going to argue about this. You put this on and it gives you a bit of a luminous glow. I can get that. But then you put your foundation on it. Where's the luminous glow gone? It's under your foundation. But this one does say you can also apply over your makeup on the high points of your face. So your cheekbones, your cupid's bow and your brow bone. So yeah, I can get that you can put it over the top. I never understand the ones that say you can put it underneath because, like, huh? Your foundation certainly isn't working if that's showing through. But there we go. So glow drops. Then I remember this because I got so confused with this. This was awful. A selection of eyeshadows. Now this is what the page looks like. You get one of these eyeshadows. Put my glasses on. And they're all called Petal to the Metal. And I have mine here. The Balm, Petal to the Metal. Eyeshadow in various shades, right? I couldn't find anywhere what this particular one was called. It says Shift into Overdrive at the bottom, but when I look at this, there are a few that say that. So if I just open it up, it is a very pretty colour. I'm really happy with that colour, and it's a sort of a creamy consistency. You see that on my hand there? If I do it again, it's a cream to powder, I would say. So it starts off really, really creamy, but I think that would dry back, and it's a lovely, lovely shimmer. I really like it, but the trouble is, if I really like that and want to buy it again, what one am I going to buy? Because I'm looking at the picture, and there are loads of really gorgeous colours, but they don't seem to have names. So I'm a bit confused by that. But I'm happy. I'm happy to have it. I think it would look really nice up here, you know, just that sheen, just that shimmer. So happy. Then, Medicate. Now it was Medicate or Ren. So again, it's one of these two possibilities, and I have the Medicate Serum. It's the Hydra Serum, harnessing hyaluronic acid and panthenol or vitamin B5. This Medicate Serum brings long-lasting hydration for a plumper, smoother complexion, cruelty-free, vegan and free from artificial fragrances. After cleansing, massage 6 drops of the serum across face and neck, suitable for use both AM and PM. Happy. I could have had the Ren one, which is the Atlantic Kelp Body Lotion. I also really like Ren. So to be fair, either one of those would have made me very happy. But I have the Medicate. And then last but not least is the Avant. This was the one we had the sneak peek of. And this is a Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. 10 mils. Fight signs of aging with this luxurious Avant eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver long-lasting moisture and combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles and eye bags. You know, I don't even need to say it. I'm always looking for one that will help with it. And they all say that they have this, they have that, they have the other, and I use them religiously. But you know, look at the bags under my eyes. If I ever find one that really and truly works, you will be the first to know, because that will be amazing. So I'm going to give this a go. Of course I am. So it comes out of the tube, very white, quite a nice consistency, and blending it in, it turns almost to a kind of oily water. Is it blending it? It's not really sinking in very much, not on the back of my hand anyway. We can but hope, eh? So, and does it have a smell? No. Ooh, I got it on the end of my nose, so maybe it'll reduce the size of my nose as well while it's at it. Apply in the AM and PM onto dry, cleansed skin. Take a small amount on your ring finger and gently tap around the delicate eye area. So there we go. So I'll put them all back in as usual. Here we go. My pretty girl box. So there's the Avant, the eyeshadow brush, the really pretty eyeshadow, the Medicate, the Percy and Reed hairspray, and the glow drops. So once again, it's a really nice box, and I am really happy with what I got in it. Even if this is second time round. Now let's just have a little look. January sneak peek is that, which is SVR Hydroline Rich Intense Moisturising Cream, worth £15. We get 40 mils, worth £15. It says it's a rich hydrating moisturiser, perfect for soothing and moisturising dry, sensitive skin. Dermatologically proven to keep skin moisturised for up to 24 hours. Hypoallergenic and formulated specifically to treat even the most sensitive skin types. So there we go. That was look fantastic. That was look fantastic. December box for the second time this month. Oh dear, I'm catching up on lots today. My daughter's doing quite a lot better. And I'm starting to really pull this place together. I can't wait to show you when it's all right. And I'm getting very, very close. So there we go. Okay, bye guys.